It's always good to come your way with another interesting episode and good to see you. Ingomi na wake mwene kunkenyek be leken klamane no. Ewomi flanye kemba leken klamane no. Here we talk anything Ga. We talk about the food, the culture, the people, and also helping to promote the Ga language or the Gadangbe language. So you are welcome to join this family. So as we all know, just a few days, Kenkey Fest was live in Jamestown, British Accra. And as usual, since we are a Ga channel, we need to represent. So Chorkor Youth TV represent live at the Kenkey Fest, which is the Kenkey Festival. Ga Kenkey is one of the best food you can get in Accra. And if you live in Accra and you've never eaten Ga Kenkey before, I think you're missing something. So without wasting much time, let's go see what exactly happened and the things that went on there. It was really interesting. Screwface was there to represent, to grace the occasion with Balagaza, Aduku Onoko Ngbeni. You nebe duku yasana guwale.
You're welcome to the 5th edition of our Kenkey Fest at Jamestown. It's nothing but the best. We are going to have fun. We are going to enjoy.
Yeah, Kenkey Festival. Come here, Otsi. Come here, Lenche. Mentima. Born mission. Otsi Lenche. So please, my name is Niyai, aka Ga and Fante. And if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this family because we teach Ga, we talk about Ga, we promote Ga, we do anything and talk about everything in Ga. I'll see you at the end of the video.
This table we are called the Editor Group. That's our table. We are almost done with almost 30 balls of Kenkey. We are more than 30. We are still on it. We're almost done. That's what you see there.
He said it's all about fun, networking, to hear from them what they have for us and how and what you can do. So over to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello. Yoshikome kuengbe jini adama kwa sampa. Ukenje English ya lata. Ona game no go mebe ni yo we jika ache wo gbali enu oje. E woni che sampa pe mo fia mo nke osi ai ni hia mi. E wo English e fe nke mi ino ye mi. Alo mi ni nyeke. E wo mi na ke me go mega mesimo wata. Bona ni wata ye be na ajuwole. E wo ko ba Kenkey Festival ye manchago na ale oba aju wata na. Alo mi ni nyeke. Ne bi alo. DJ. Kawo mi ayi.
Show me your big father, Jerry. Don't you be like my
for. I can be in fair for near me, fair for a few. I don't mean again.
You know, we were there to capture live videos and all that. But hey, you can also check my page on Facebook. We were able to, you know, capture some moments, nice pictures. So I put a link there so that you guys can check. If you see yourself, tag yourself and tag anyone that you see. Let's go straight and enjoy the video. If you see anyone in the video that you know, make sure you share that video with him. And don't forget to subscribe. Noni Choko TV ya shake bahanye.
Hello, Jerry. I told me receive Kote Kenkey Festival. Yes, Mancha Agona.
Everything you understand,
like,
so
first time in the experience was so lovely, exciting. So I invite my friend to come here. Nobody in the fan never.
Oh yeah, I saw a lot of ladies, nice ladies, you know.
Hello, I'm Debbie. I'm from Dakoman here to just enjoy and have fun, yeah.
Okay, hi, my name is Enyo now. I'm coming from SCC, and I like my kenkey with a lot of red pepper. I like fish, I like sardine, and then I like to have eggs too. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Davis from Ablekuma. This is the first time I'm coming to Kenkey Fest, so I'm here to experience it. It's fun, like meeting so many people who love kenkey. It's just fun.
I got here quite late, and so I've not experienced much, but then I think it's going on well. Yeah. What is mine? Well, you see the softness of the kenkey. What some kenkeys are, it's like they're specially made. You understand? And it's soft. It tastes like really good in the mouth. And then when you eat very little, you get satisfied.
Well, I also like it very soft, you know, with pepper, onion, fish, fried eggs, sausages, like with some slices of pear, you know. Like it gives satisfaction, you know, when you know that you are eating good food. You get it? Yeah. So that's what I get from eating kenkey. Yeah. Thank you.
My name is Rafa. I came over to enjoy varieties of kenkey. I've had one so far and it's really nice. I'm here to try the others and I've had lots and lots of fun. And I'll have to attend once again.
Our painting, very beautiful. We did a bit of painting here. So this is what I did. It was really fun. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And we wish to see more of Kenkey Fest next year. Thank you. I like my kenkey with the yellow corn. And I like it very soft. Very soft. With shrimps and octopus. Thank you.
Okay, so my name is Chorkor. You can also call me Dorcas. I'm from Jamestown, but I live at Kanishi. It hasn't been boring, Charlie. I enjoy myself on Kasa. I just checked the time and it's almost 5, and I can't imagine that since morning I've been here, there hasn't been a down moment, to understand.
Everything she says is true.
Yeah, I know. If you're coming here, the way they prepared it, I'm like, Charlie. Well, how can I say it? Yeah, in Jamestown, so yeah, I expected that, so they delivered it correctly. Ga is the spirit, Ga Kenkey is the spirit. I don't know how to spread it, but when you eat correct Ga Kenkey, you know that yes, you are in Accra. You are in the town of Jamestown, like yes, you are a proper Ghanaian. It doesn't necessarily have to be that you are Ashanti, so you have to eat your own food. Eat Ga Kenkey and be called a Ghanaian. That is the spirit. When you eat Ga Kenkey, the ghost will talk to you.
because it's an immune booster. It boosts your immune system, so you don't even get diseases. That's why I love it.
And I mean, as a bachelor, Kenkey has saved my life so many times over the years. So I remember 2020, I was here for the Kenkey Fest. It was my first time. I loved it so much. So when I heard it was coming on again, I decided actually, man forever, the guy dropped proper Ga in British Accra. So that's why we are here.
Oh, we are trying.
Unfortunately, no. I understand, but I don't speak it. Unfortunately.
Oh, this is the digital squad. Yeah. Yeah, this is the digital squad. In fact, we had the biggest platter at this festival. We had over 40 balls of Kenkey, over 30 at the Jazz Squad, and we had assorted meat, fish, octopus, asronam, and everything featured. Of course. I like 2 balls, just 2 balls, yes, with tilapia. Oh, just 2 balls.
Voilà, Charlie. Nye fine, nye ke shake make asani woke shomo abanagbe video abanagbe bia ne wo oba shine be kunkulo oba abanyegbe kun. We'll come your way again with another interesting episode. Just when you pray, just remember and pray for us so that we'll bring you more content concerning the Ga community and anything about Ga. I love you guys. Thank you, and let me know what you think about this video, or you can suggest videos you want us to do to promote Ga or on this channel. Comment in the comment section and I'll come and reply you. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I'll see you next time. My name is Nia aka Ganyobi. Ola Bawo. Peace out.